So with that initial placement kit that I just purchased, what are some common mistakes that maybe other people have experienced that I can prevent it for myself?
Well, definitely with those long-term tests that you're going to buy yourself from the hardware stores, placement is essential. So don't put the test near windows, doors, or vents. These will affect the airflow and can affect the levels as well. Now, also kitchens and bathrooms. We do not recommend in there. We've got bathroom fans, we've got hood fans, a lot of activity in bathrooms and kitchens, which are going to skew your results. I say place at least 50 centimeters off the floor. We recommend 80 centimeters with our with my certification and my governing board. We recommend 80 centimeters off the floor, but I'd say at least 50, depending on where you're at. And you want to put on the lowest level of your house. We touched a little bit on this earlier, but don't put it in the mechanical room. Don't put it next to your furnace. You're gonna get crazy results, especially if it's sitting right there next to the floor drain in your mechanical room on a concrete slab right next to your furnace. You're either going to get sky high results or, really low results. It's not going to give you a great average. So put it in a room in your basement. Don't close all the doors. Don't close all the, just leave it in there. Don't put it underneath a fan or close to a window or a door.